Hey, hi guys, welcome to YouTube. So in this video, I will show you how you can run graphics file in CodeBlocks. It's very easy. If you wanted to know how you can run graphics file in Dev C++, so I already have created video on that. You can watch that video. Link will be in description, and you can also follow my C++ graphics tutorial. So now let's get started. So first thing is you need CodeBlocks, of course. So go to this website, official website of CodeBlocks, which is www.codeblocks.org/downloads. From here, you can download CodeBlocks. Just make sure you download CodeBlocks with the MinGW setup, because MinGW gonna compile your all the code. So it's very important to download the CodeBlocks with the MinGW. Okay, otherwise you have to set up MinGW separately. Now let's get started. After downloading the code blocks, run the installer, and installation process is very easy. Just click on the yes, and after that yes, oh sorry, next, and choose the path. I agree, and keep all these settings in default. No need to make some changes. And now choose the destination where you want to install, and then now click on the next. This thing can take some time, so wait please. Okay, so now installation process is done. That's it. Now that's it. Now click on the yes to run the code blocks. Now next, and now just click on the finish. This can take some time because code blocks is running for the first time, so please wait. So here you can see code block is working perfectly, but let's try to run a graphics file. So go to the file and go to the new, choose the empty file, write the graphics code. Let me copy this code and paste it here, save it. I will save this in desktop CPP with the CPP extension, save it, and now let's build it. There you can see there is an error. There is no such a directory. So basically we have to make some changes in our code block and also in the folder where we have installed code block. We need some extra files. So you have to download those extra files. Go to your web browser and visit this URL. From this URL you will be able to download those extra files. The size of those files are very less. It's about 38 MB. So click on the download, and link is in description of this. Okay. Oh sorry. Now save this. Now it's downloaded. Let me copy. Oh sorry. Let me copy this. Let me put this in desktop to show you. Here you can see the zip file. Now right click on it and extract this file, and you will get this type of folder which is called graphics in Dev C++. Open this folder. Let me resize the window. Inside this folder you will get lots of files. We only need these 3 files. Okay, so let's make some changes. Now open the other window. Now inside this window, open the folder where you have installed your code blocks. So in this case we have installed this in C drive under the program files 86. There you can see code blocks folder, and now inside the code block folder we have to copy these files in particular place. Okay, so go to the folder which you have extracted from the given link. First select this file which is called graphics.h and winbgim.h file. Cut both of the files. Okay, cut both of the files and go to the code block folder. Okay, your installed folder basically, and there you will find out MinGW. Go inside the MinGW folder, and inside the MinGW folder there will be a folder which is called include. Go inside the include and just simply copy your data there. Copy those 2 files which you have oh sorry, paste those two files which you have copied from that folder. That's it. So now it's done. Go back to the code blocks main folder. Now come back to the extracted folder which you have extracted. Now there will be one file which is called lbgi.a file. Copy this file, or we can simply cut this file, cut this, and again go to the folder where you are where you have installed the code blocks. Inside the code blocks there will be min.gw. Once again, min.gw, go inside the min.gw, and inside the min.gw there will be a folder which is called lib. Inside the lib you have to paste that file. So here we go, Control V, that's it. So the work of this folder is done, which we have extracted. Now we don't need it. Now go to the code blocks and now go to the setting, and under the setting go to the compiler, and in the compiler go to the linker settings, choose the linker setting. There you can see these two options now. Okay, so these two options must be here. Now click OK, and now let me try to run this. Click on the build, and click on the run now. So here you can see graphics files are working, but in some cases it doesn't work. Why? Because in the setting, in the compiler and in the linker setting, this setting doesn't show. Okay, so let me clear this. If in your case there is no options like this, it's empty. If in your case it's empty, then what you have to do, basically go to the add, and then after this we have to choose a particular file here. Okay, now which file is that? The file which we have copied into the lib folder. So click on that icon, that arrow icon, and let's choose that file. So inside the go to the folder where you have installed CodeBlock. So we have installed in 86, then CodeBlocks. Now go to the min.gw, and inside the min.gw there will be a lib folder. Go to the lib folder and look for the file which you have copied inside this folder. The file which we have copied here was the lib.b gi.a. Okay, here is it. I can see this file in front of me. So choose this file and click on the open. That's it. That's all. And click on the OK. This is done. Okay. Now here we have to write down some extra text. So you have to write down this text. Okay. I will give this text in description. You can check out the description, copy this text and Control V it here. That's it. And click on the OK. And that's all you have to do. And once again you can do build and run and your program will work perfectly. So let's see if it's working or not. So you can see it's working. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow the playlist, and thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you. Bye. Take care.